Hello everyone, this is Poan Lee. I am a construction management student at UTA and I'm happy to be a part of this College of Engineering Innovation Day of 2023. And today I am going to present to you about a research that I have been a part of, which is to study and diagnose the COVID-19 pandemic impact on the construction industry. And for this particular poster, we are going to take a look at decline and recovery. So as you all remember, COVID-19 happened very recently. It it has all the negative effect on all sector of the US economy, and for the construction industry it is no difference. It actually caused a mini recession. A recession meaning the decline in the economy because there aren't much job for the labor force to work and people are not making money, so the economy eventually taking a nosedive. So recession happened before, as you all remember, 2001, 2008, and the impacts has been studied previously. But what particularly interesting about this research is that this research incorporates trend and seasonality that the construction industry is known to have, meaning there is cycle, there are uptime and there are downtime within the industry. So when we do, compute the computation to have our finding, we're making sure that the decline is actually happened due to the pandemic instead of some attribution from the cycle itself. So what is the plan? The plan is that we are going to prove that there is a seasonality by using this ACF and PACF function to prove that there is actually seasonality in the data, and there are two groups of number that we are going to take a look. Uh, the first group of number is the actual data, during the pandemic. How many jobs are there? And the other groups of number is the how many jobs would have been without the COVID-19. And to help us find out the how many jobs would have been without the COVID-19, we are going to use this model, the seasonal um, ARIMA model, to find how many jobs would have been without the COVID-19. So when we have that two number, we can compare it and make an analysis. So we set the accumulated sum analysis and we set the upper bound and lower bound. So if the difference go below the lower bound, meaning that the difference is actually out of control. So the data or the decline in job number is actually significant. And when we find out that there is significant within the number, we can go ahead and find the forward path to find out when the actual decline happened. So we use the forward path to find when the decline actually happened, the significant decline actually happened. Say, for example, in February or in March of 2020. And then once we find all the uh, uh, deviation or the significant decline, then we can do a backward path of the same cumulative sum to find when actually the industry has recovered. So we do this for all sector, for all race and ethnicity, and for all state. So the result that we find here is that there is actually decline in the construction industry overall in all sector and in all demographic as well as in all state. However, there are some recover before the other. So when we have all these results with the method that we use, we can firmly say that all these impact is directly attributed to the COVID-19 pandemic. And for that matter, the policymaker can be very informed, make the right decision, draft the right bill to help you know, who is affected the most by the COVID-19 pandemic, because the effect is very disproportionate, as you can see here with the result. Some recover faster than the other. And um, I want to shout out to the National Science Foundation who supported this works, and I hope you enjoyed this video as well as the Engineering Innovation Day. Thank you so much for your time.